Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. Walmart just released so many cute items for the summer season, and I have items to share with you guys from Free Assembly and Time and True that's gonna have you looking your best for the summer season. I'm gonna have everything linked down below in the description box for you guys to shop. I'm also gonna have a QR code here that you could scan to shop all the items from today's haul. If you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below and follow me on all my social media. Starting today's haul with one of my absolute favorite dress. This dress is from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X and the price is $38. I did go ahead and pick it up in this medium denim wash, but it's also available in white. So if you're looking for a white dress, this is one to consider. This dress does feature a V neckline. I love the beautiful pleated detail here in the shoulder. It has more of a cap sleeve, and in the shoulder we do have some padding which gives this dress such a nice structure. It has functional buttons going all the way down, and I did originally purchase this dress in the size 1X and it did fit, but it had a little bit of gaping here in the tummy area, so I'd suggest you guys size up 1. What I love about this dress is the beautiful pleated pin tuck corset detail here in the waist. I feel like it defined my waist so nicely, and we do have the pin tuck detail here in the front and also in the back, which I just absolutely love. This dress is giving such high-end vibes. I've seen dresses at Anthropologie for hundreds of dollars, but this one from Walmart is under $40. It's made from a super lightweight rayon material, very breathable. It's going to be perfect for the summer season. Also, this dress has some beautiful nautical embroidery stitching throughout, which is just such a nice added touch, and it does have a slit in the front. And this dress is a midi length on me. Go ahead and style this dress with your favorite ballet flats, your favorite sneakers, but you could also go ahead and dress this up with your favorite heels. I just love everything about this dress from Free Assembly, and I highly recommend it. Next up is another dress from Free Assembly that I'm loving. This dress is available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X and the price is $38. I did go ahead and pick it up in white, but it's also available in a navy floral print. This dress does feature a squared neckline, and it has these adjustable straps which I tied to create this beautiful bow detail. And in the back of this dress, it does have a hidden zipper, and it also has a super stretchy smocked panel here going on. Guys, this dress is loosely fitted on me underneath the arm. I could have sized down to the size 1X, so just keep that in mind. I absolutely love the beautiful floral embroidery print throughout on this dress, and this dress is giving all the vacation vibes. I just absolutely love how lightweight the fabric is. It's made from 100% cotton. This is a drop waist dress, and it has 2 pockets to the side, and it's fully lined underneath, so you don't have to worry about this dress being see-through, and it is a maxi length on me. I feel like this type of dress would pair nicely with your favorite sandals or ballet flats, just to keep it simple. And this maxi dress is going to be perfect for the summer season, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for a white dress for vacation also. Next is this dress from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X and the price is $36. I have it here in this medium denim wash, but it's also available in 2 additional colors. This dress does feature a squared neckline, and it has bra-friendly tank straps. I was able to wear my regular bra with this dress. In the back of this dress, it does have a hidden zipper going all the way down, and I absolutely love the seam panel details throughout on this dress. It's more fitted in the tummy area than it flares in the skirt, which balances out my shape, and I always appreciate that. This dress is very lightweight and breathable. It's made from 100% cotton, so it's gonna be perfect for those hot summer days. It also has 2 pockets to the side, and it is a midi length on me. Go ahead and style this dress with your favorite footwear and bag, and you're gonna have the perfect summer outfit. Short dresses are trending for summer. This one is from Time and True. The price is $25.98, under $25, and I've seen similar shirt dresses at Anthro and Macy's for over $100, so this is a good price point. I have it here in this color Walmart is calling orange lava, but it's also available in additional colors. It does feature a spread collar shoulder, functional buttons going down the front. It has short cap sleeve and the material is super soft and lightweight. It's made from a linen blend fabric. This dress does have two pockets to the side, and what I love about this dress and what we're seeing on these shirt dresses is this beautiful pleated detail here in the waist, which just defines your waistline, which I absolutely love. In the back of this dress, it does have a smoked panel here, so it does have a little bit of stretch in the waistline. This dress is a mini length on me, but not too much of a mini, and I want to say it's a little bit see-through, so you might want to be mindful of the color underwear you're gonna wear underneath this dress. Go ahead and style this dress with your favorite sandals and crossbody bag for a simple but chic outfit. This dress is from Time and True. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. And this is another dress from Time and True that's under $25. It's for $22.98. I did go ahead and pick it up in this green floral print, but it's also available in additional colors. This dress does feature a higher crew neckline, and it has some beautiful gathering detail here in the chest. In the back of this dress, it also has a keyhole detail. This dress is fully smoked in the bodice, so it's very flattering, and it is a mini length on me. This dress is very lightweight and breathable. It's made from a rayon blend fabric. This is going to be the perfect throw on and go dress for the summer season. You could go ahead and start with your favorite ballet flats or sandals and add your favorite bag. I also have it here in the navy print. I didn't realize that I purchased it in green, so I also picked it up in the navy, and I do love the navy print also. Go ahead and pick this dress up if you're looking for a dress that's easy to style. Next up is this dress from Time and True. It's available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 3XL, and the price is $24.98. It's only available in this light denim wash. It does feature a V neckline, and it does have thicker straps, and in the shoulder here we have the beautiful gathering detail, and we also have these strings here which you could tie to create a bow. In the back it does have a cutout detail, and it also has the V cut in the back. It's fully smoked in the waist and super stretchy. I probably could have sized down one in this dress, so just keep that in mind. This dress is made from a super lightweight fabric. It's very flowy. It's gonna be perfect for the hot summer weather, and it is a midi length on me. Go ahead and style this dress with your favorite sandals. I want to say this is not one of my favorite dress from today's haul. I don't think it was too flattering on me, but maybe you will like this dress, but I'm definitely gonna return it, I want to say. Next up is this top from Time and True. It's available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 3XL, and the price is $17.98. I did go ahead and pick it up in black, but it's also available in additional colors. This top features a crew neckline, short flutter sleeve which offers some arm coverage, and it does have a keyhole cutout detail here in the back which is not too noticeable. It's fully smoked in the bodice and very stretchy. I would suggest you guys size down one in this top, and it's made from a rayon blend fabric, very lightweight and breathable, and it does have a peplum hem. Go ahead and style this top with your favorite jeans, your favorite shorts. I feel like it would look perfect with some white jeans also, and your favorite sandals. I did go ahead and style this top with the harem pants from Scoop, so I'm gonna link it down below for you guys to shop in case you love this entire outfit. I love this top. It's gonna be perfect to wear out, and you could also wear it to work, so it's very versatile. If you're looking for a lightweight cardigan for the summer season, this one from Time and True is one to consider. It's available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 3XL, and the price is $14.98. I have it here in this beautiful light blue, but it's also available in additional colors, and depending on the colors, some are on sale for under $8, which is such a good price point. This cardigan features a higher crew neckline. It has long sleeves which are fitted, and it does have a ribbed cuff. It also features functional buttons going all the way down the front, so you could wear this cardigan open or closed. You could also wear this over your favorite dress or just put it over your shoulder. And if you're working in an office, this cardigan will be perfect for you to just put over your shoulder when they have that AC on full blast. It's a super lightweight material, very soft to the touch. It's a longer length, and it does have a ribbed hem. Go ahead and style this cardigan sweater with your favorite jeans, your favorite shorts, or pair it with your favorite skirt. And of course, you could put this cardigan over your favorite dress. It's very versatile. This sweater looks like a sweater you would get from Anthropologie, but it's from Walmart, of course. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 1X and the price is $26. I did go ahead and pick it up in white, but it's also available in additional colors. And depending on the color that you select, it's going to have a different print on the front. This sweater does feature a rolled crew neckline, short sleeve. The material on this sweater is 100% cotton. And I want to say this is more of a medium weight sweater, and it does have the catch of the day logo printed on the front, which is giving all the nautical vibes, and that's very on trend for summer 2026. Guys, I should have sized up to the size 2X in this sweater just for a little bit more roomier fit. It is a longer length sweater and it has a stripe detail here at the hem. Go ahead and style this sweater with your favorite jeans or your favorite shorts, and of course you could style with your favorite skirt and add your favorite footwear. I did go ahead and style that sweater with the shorts from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes extra small to 2XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 2XL and the price is $24. It's only available in this medium denim wash. This shorts is a high-rise fit and it does have a super stretchy waist. In the front we also have two functional drawstrings here, which is adjustable, and it features two pockets to the side. I absolutely love the seam details throughout on the shorts, and I love how flowy this shorts is. It looks like a skirt, but it's actually a shorts, and the inseam on this shorts is 4 inches. You could go ahead and style the shorts with your favorite top and add your favorite footwear. Next up is this sweater from Time and True. It's available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 3XL and the price is $17.98. I did go ahead and pick it up in this color Walmart is calling Fruit Cocky, but it's also available in two additional colors. This sweater features a crew neckline, and going around the neckline we have the beautiful scallop trim. The sleeves are short and it has these cutout detail, so even though this is a sweater, it's a very lightweight sweater and it's lightweight and breathable. It's made from a cotton blend fabric, so it's gonna be perfect for the hot summer weather. And this is a longer length sweater and the material is super soft to the touch. You could go ahead and style this sweater with your favorite shorts, your favorite jeans, or your favorite skirt. Next up is this tank top from Time and True. It's available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 3XL and the price is $14.98. I did go ahead and pick it up in this color Walmart is calling Green Note, but it's also available in additional colors. It does feature a squared neckline and it's also squared in the back. It has a super stretchy straps, and this was a issue for me. The straps were too long, and because it was too long it was lower in the back and all my back fat was showing, so I didn't like this top too much and I definitely had to wear a half bra with this top. It does have some gathering detail here in the front. It's made from 100% cotton. It's very lightweight and breathable, and it also features this beautiful embroidery eyelet detail here at the hem, and it's definitely cropped and boxy. You could go ahead and style this tank top with the matching shorts, but you could also style it with your favorite shorts. I feel like this would look nice with a white denim shorts, and you could also style it with your favorite jeans. Next up are these shorts from Time and True, and it matches back to the tank top. It's available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 3XL and the price is $19.98. I did go ahead and pick it up in the color Walmart is calling Green Notes, but it's also available in additional colors. This shorts is a mid-rise fit and it has a super stretchy waist, two functional strings here at the waistline, and it also has two pockets to the side. And I love the pleated detail in the front of this shorts. It's made from a cotton blend fabric, super lightweight and breathable, and I love the beautiful eyelet embroidery trim. Unfortunately for me, the shorts was just too short on me and I feel like it kept riding up and I have to pull it down. So this set from Time and True was a fail for me and I'm gonna return both pieces, unfortunately. If you do love this set, you could go ahead and start with your favorite sandals or ballet flats, and I feel like this set would work for vacation also. Time and True has some of my favorite lightweight tee that I love to wear for the summer season. This one is available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 3XL and the price is $7.98. I did go ahead and pick it up in this color Walmart is calling Rose Herb, but it's also available in additional colors. It does feature a crew neckline, short sleeve. The material is super lightweight and breathable. It's made from a cotton spandex fabric and it is a longer length tee. tee. I like to pair these tee with my favorite shorts or my favorite jeans, and I have some that I just wear around the house or wear to sleep. I highly recommend these tee from Time and True. They wash up really well. Next up are gonna be two dresses that didn't work for me, but I still wanted to share them with you guys just in case it will work for you. And first is this dress from Time and True. It's available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I did purchase it in the size 3XL, and the price is $24.98. I have it here in this blue color, but it's also available in additional colors. It does feature a V neckline and it has thicker straps. It also has the V cut here in the back, and it has a stretchy bundle in the back. It has functional buttons going all the way down the front, and this is where I had issues. I had so much gaping in the front, so unfortunately this dress didn't fit me properly, so I have to return it. It is a longer length dress, and I love how flowy it is in the skirt. You could go ahead and style this dress with your favorite footwear. Next up is this dress from Scoop. It's available in sizes extra small to 2XL. I have it here in the size 2XL, and the price is $34. It's only available in this beautiful peach floral print. It has more of a scoop neckline, short puff sleeve, which is very lightweight and stretchy, and I love the tie detail here at the neckline. In the back of this dress, it does have a smoked panel, and it also has a hidden zipper going down the front. It's fully lined underneath, and this dress is made from a polyester rayon blend material, and it has a slit to the side. This is a midi length dress. You could go ahead and style this dress with your favorite footwear. Next up is going to be the shirt dress that I wore to my son's college graduation, and I can't believe that my baby graduated from college. I'm so proud of him. This dress is from On 34th Street. It's available in sizes 0X to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 3X, and the price is $110, but I got it on sale for around $65.70. I did go ahead and pick it up in this beautiful shade of blue, but it's also available in a yellow floral print. It does feature a point collar, functional buttons going all the way down the front. It has short sleeves which are oversized. What I love about this shirt dress is that it does have the trending pin tuck detail here in the front, which cinches my waist and give me such a nice shape. It does have two pockets to the side, and this dress is made from 100% cotton and is fully lined underneath. And can we talk about the beautiful embroidery eyelet detail at the hem of this dress? And it also has a scallop trim. This dress is a 10 out of 10 to me. I highly recommend it. So if you're looking for a dress to wear to a graduation or for the summer season, I highly recommend this one. The quality is a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna get so much use out of this dress throughout the summer season. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below which pieces were your favorite. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me a comment with the orange emoji so that I know that you stuck it out until the end. Also, if you're not following me on the Like to Know It app, go ahead and give me a follow over there. I do post new arrivals, restock alert, outfit ideas, and so much more. I also posted on the post tab here on YouTube, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.